Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of these Popular Mechanics seat cover. It's a pack of 2 that I got from Ollie's at a price of $19.99. It looks nice, it's pretty sporty. It says it's side airbag compliant. Let's have a look in here. Fits seats with or without airbags, heavy duty stitched, simulated leather cloth. 2 headrests are included. So it's a black-red trim. Let's see, anything else over here? So let's have a look over here. There's a whole bunch of instructions that'll tell you how to do it. So I'm going to be putting this onto my vehicle because it has leather seats in the front and it's white, so I just want to make sure that it is protected from getting dirtied. So I'll show you here. Those are it. So I'm going to be putting seat covers on there and I will show you the end results. So let's just have a look at what's in the content here of this box. Let's take it out. So that's one headrest. I'll move it out to over here. So that's one headrest. Let's see what else is there here. There should be 2 headrests and 2 seats. So this should slip nicely over the seats there. So it's pretty basic. I'm going to slip this on and you'll see the results. Alright, so I finished putting it on. The only downside to it was that the 2 headrests did not fit, but everything else was fine. I like the color. It looks a little sleek. Again, it's just a shame that the headrests on both of them, it was a little too small for these ones here. But other than that, it will protect the leather. It looks pretty sporty. I like the fact that they match a set of 2. $20 at Ollie's. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell notification icon to always stay up to date on our new videos. Click that like button, and until next time, take care.